in it too.
Yeah. Well, we just found an old fence post, but it's got this really strange. I hope you can see that.
It's got a notch.
Yeah, so it's like a fence, but it's where a fence came across at one point, one time, many moons ago. But we're up here on the ledges.
Yeah, I think we're going to be going down and crossing that bridge over there.
Yeah, I think that's what we're doing, yeah. And that'll take us over, I think, to 8. Unless we're on 8 right now, I'm not sure.
Are we past 7?
We're on 7. Supposedly,
7?
we're on 7.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So, yeah, I just saw that. That caught that out of the corner of my eye. Of course, I entirely missed the Grassman shelter. Airow saw that. I entirely missed it. But yet, something remote and obscure several feet away.
Yeah, you see that.
I see that.
Well, that shelter was right there.
Yeah. So, this is a very muddy spot right here. We're going around this way.
There's upstairs.
Yeah.
Going down.
Yep. A cool little area. Oh yeah, a big house. Holy smokes.
It's the big house.
Yeah. Look at that.
Oh my gosh. We gotta go see that.
Yeah.
That.
Oh man.
Holy moly, look at that.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Oh my gosh, look at this.
Yeah, this is amazing.
Oh my goodness.
It's all woven together. This will be another Grassman shelter.
Wow.
Oh, this is awesome. There's an opening over here on the other side. I'm not going to go all the way in, but I'm just going to, we're going to leave an offering. I'm not going all the way in, Grassman. We know this is yours.
This is wonderful.
Yeah, so Airow's going to leave you a blessing and an offering, yeah. Yeah, this is amazing. This is really wonderful. Yeah.
Where's that? Turn it.
Right here. We're right here at it. Wow. Where the whole tree came down.
Oh my
Wow.
gosh.
You talk about liminal spaces. We have definitely found some liminal
This
spaces.
feels, I mean, doesn't it
I feel like we're in the other world. I really
Yes.
do.
Amazing.
Yeah.
Can we leave an offering?
Go ahead, please.
Leaving me an offering? I don't even think I've can do that. Come into your world, you will come
This is amazing. Yes. We are very blessed. Wow.
Wow.
Boy, this is definitely an adventure. Okay, so we have to go back over here to the trail. Yeah, that house over there, that's a trip over there too. Okay, here comes some people. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and pause it here.